you see by the title of this video, yes, I bought the world's cheapest 335i. Not a clickbait, it is real. $500 E92 335 N54. Yes, it's an N54, not an N55. We're about to get a walk around of it. I've been meaning to show it on the channel. I've just been sick for the past week and a half with COVID. Just got back up to the shop. Just bought a new daily as well. I'll probably be dropping a video after on. If you want to know what a new daily I got, the new tow rig for the N54, make sure to watch the next video dropping on the channel. Introducing the new project, the $500 335i. It is in a titanium silver. I might be saying that wrong, but metallic titanium silver, however you say it. It is a nice color. Non-sport front bumper, not painted yet. It did have a missing fender, but we had a fender around the shop. We went ahead and just threw on there. So we will have to get a new bumper, probably a sport bumper, and get this driver's side fender painted. But I really do like the silver color. Interior is black with silver trim. Interior is really clean. No crazy rips in the seat. Little minor rip right there. No rips in the passenger though. Steering wheel isn't sticky. Nice steering wheel. Shifter don't look too bad. And the car is clean title. Sunroof is a little beat. Headliner hanging a little bit. I mean, it ain't hanging too bad. There's a wrench on the roof. That's probably holding the sunroof. So the sunroof is cooked. Might just get the whole entire headliner wrapped if I have to, or just rewrap the sunroof. But that's not what we're worried about. We're really worried about what's under that engine bay. I'm gonna walk around the back too. Just on some stock rims all the way around. No crazy cracks or anything. The wheels are good. No crazy body damage either. The body is good. Paint around the entire car is good besides the front bumper and the missing fender. Hope this fucking hood don't fall on my head. And the car already has an aluminum valve cover. If you look at that. And I have heard from the previous owner of this car, I think it has an upgraded SD81. They already upgraded the DME, and I heard they recently did a tranny service on it as well. But they are saying they think it is something with the DME, an electrical issue. Not many crazy electrical issues on these 335s, so we're going to be willing to take this risk for $500 and see what is wrong with it. And also the headlights are gone. A friend of the owner said he had to borrow the headlights while his were being sent out to be resealed, and he will bring them back. But if we got to buy some new headlights and brand new ones to go with the new bumper, it won't be that bad anyway. Does not have an oil cooler, oil filter housing, just the stock housing. Just the stock oil filter housing, doesn't have the thermostat on there. Already has some Burger Motorsport intake filters right there. Okay. Aluminum valve cover. And maybe figure something out. Hopefully it's nothing crazy. Hopefully the engine isn't shot. But everyone in the comments, we've already got an 8-speed N54. We already got the 335 right here that's about to get the N55 engine completely rebuilt, drop back into it. So what would you like to see us do next with this E92?
He don't do none but that tough on camera. I probably could share what I care about. I'm just afraid that you won't understand.
So we're gonna try to figure out what it is. We're gonna come back once we start diagnosing and figuring out what's going on with the car. I heard the car has index 12, so we got some index 12s and an aluminum valve cover and the N54 engine for $500. Regardless, we had to part it out. We will make our money back for sure. Yeah, but we're gonna get to cooking with this thing. What do you want to see done to this E92 335? Did swap in a battery and it managed to come on, and like I said, it was throwing a throttle body code. We swapped the throttle body, code went away, but it was throwing a code for the timing. Yes, everyone, this engine is gonna need the timing fixed on it. I don't know if I said before, but I swore the car was lower miles with the crazy looking clean interior. I don't know how it has so many miles on the chassis. It is 277,000 miles on this $500 335i. The engine was swapped. And the engine is not knocking or anything. The engine sounds healthy. It's just running like shit because the timing is bad. Sorry if you can't hear me that good with the pressure washer in the back right now. Should we fix the timing, get the car right, paint the rest of the body, or should we just park the car out, fix the engine, sell the index 12s, maybe keep the chassis itself, swap something into it with a Max and a Swift made harness? I don't know. Starting to debate now if we should even fix the car with how many miles are on it, fixing the timing, who would even pay over $4 grand for a 270,000 mile chassis M54. The chassis still looks good, which is crazy. Play back the clips of how the interior and everything look. What do you think we should do with this? Should we swap engine and transmission in here on the Max? Should we part the whole thing out and sell the shell as well and just take as much money as we could get from our purchase? And as you see right here, we do have a new daily coming to the channel. It'll be in another video. Make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel because we have a lot coming this year, 2025.
I had a ball today. She drinking shots. When they quarter, they have to debate. To show you that handle they case. The codeine got that good taste. With the pounds and all of your space. That money, that's all I can say. When I made my first million, I ain't penny.
Decided to not wait. We went ahead and we are going to go ahead and part out this $500 335i. I know I asked everyone, what do you think we should do with this car? But after thinking about it, we're not going to go ahead and risk taking the loss on buying this. So we're going to just sell all the parts, as you just saw we put on the screen. We're going to fix the timing on this engine and sell the engine with the valve cover. We'll have an automatic transmission for sale. And with a good looking interior still, we could either part it out or just sell it with the shell. As you see, the interior still looks good with the high mileage on this car. So if you are needing any M54 parts, we do have a lot of spare parts. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram on the screen right here. Shoot me a DM for any parts you are needing. The next time you do see this car, it will be with the engine out. So if anyone is needing a shell as well, shoot me a DM. We can figure something out. But that is a wrap for the $500 335.
A Coca-Cola bottle, her shake. Coca-Cola bottle. Hey, I had a ball today.
Yo, fucking guy kept his spread up.